Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video tour. Today we're taking a look at this brand new 2024 Salem Hemisphere 273RL travel trailer. This is a rear living room, 2 slide out couples coach with a small outdoor kitchen area. We're going to actually get started on the inside first, then we'll come on back out here and check out the outside. So stepping up into your new Hemisphere trailer here. Again, rear living room, 2 slide out model. Let's get started back here in the back and we'll kind of work our way forward for you. So back here along the back wall, you're going to have deep tint safety glass windows, which are the squared style window with the built-in shades. You do have the tri-fold sofa here that'll flip out, make into a bed, giving you a little area here for some extra guests. You got an end table on each side, and there's some storage under there. Electric outlet and USB charger ports on each side. And then you also have some overhead cabinet space up here as well. Got the little shock assist on these. Directly across from your theater seat area, you're going to have your electric fireplace, Furrion soundbar, and a TV over here as well. Your theater seat here does obviously recline back. You have some lights underneath of there, little lights around the cup rings as well on the outer arms, but there's also some storage in the middle as well. Nice large super slide there, which is the sofa and that dinette over there that are sliding out. You have a matching floor on the slide to your main floor. And same thing over here on the entertainment slide behind us. It has a matching floor as well. Your dinette is attached to the wall instead of having the middle leg. So basically you're not having to bump your knee on that as well. Looking up at our ceiling area here, we have a ducted Coleman AC up there. There's a skylight up there. There is a slight arch to the roof, giving you a little extra height in the center part of the RV. You have the Furrion oven with the light built in, little light up knobs, 3-burner cooktop, pull-out drawer below the oven as well. Multiple drawers and storage space here in your kitchen area. Furrion hood range light and fan, matching Furrion microwave. Got the high-rise sprayer faucet there, large undermount sink. Electric box with the breakers and fuses down here, and quite a bit of storage here as well. The 10.7 cubic foot, 12 volt Furrion refrigerator. There's also electric outlet and USB charger ports below that microwave area there. You have prepping for Wi-Fi that you can get aftermarket. Then you got your digital thermostat for your propane furnace and your main ducted air conditioner. Here you're going to have some slide and awning buttons. There is some light switches, 12 volt tank heaters for cold weather camping, water pump switch for portable water, and you're going to have your holding tank readers, and then you have your on-demand water heater control here as well. Behind this door is going to be your bathroom area. You have a vent fan up here, skylight up above, a step-in shower with an ABS tub surround, pull across vinyl door. You have the porcelain foot flush toilet. Little sink and storage area here. Little advertisement there talking about the 200 watt optional solar panel. The unit has a VersaTilt bed And you can kind of see it over there up, and basically you push a button and it'll go up and down for you. There's some storage underneath here. You got these little cubby things, and then there's storage down below that as well. You could slide your shoes under there. Over here is a little laundry hamper basket. You have hanging closet on each side of the bed with some overhead cabinet space. There's also a drawer on each side of the bed. This one was ordered with the optional second AC, which is a drop-in Coleman AC right here. Nice big window over there. There's going to also be more closet space over here. And then above this window, there is a TV backer in the wall, and you have TV antenna hookups and stuff up here as well. When the bed is in up mode, it gives you extra room here to maneuver around your bedroom area. Now let's drop it down here real quick, just to kind of show you what it looks like. You have a large windshield in the front of the RV. And that right there just kind of lets in some more natural light and stuff. There is a pull down blind in there as well for privacy. And even when the bed is dropped down, there's still a decent amount of room to maneuver around your bedroom. You have the little coat hook holders here in the hallway area. All right, let's step on out and check out the outside real quick. So walking out your RV, you're gonna have these big heavy duty More Ride steps. And those steps are rated for 500 pounds. They have adjustable feet. They flip in the doorway when you're traveling. You have the large folding entry handle there as well. You have the big power awning, LED light strip built in close to the body of the RV, adjustable arms for tilting, manual override in the front arm head. They're currently using kind of a cream color or off-white fiberglass exterior with the lower tan metal, some vinyl graphics. Now you do have a large pass-through storage compartment area here across the front of the RV. There's an electric outlet in here, light switch for the front cap lights, a light on this side. Again, little laundry hamper basket thing here as well. On your baggage door, it's held up by the magnetic holders. Has the, looks like plastic slam locks here. You have power front jacks, power rear jacks, and also a power tongue jack as well. You have two outdoor speakers. Going on back a little further here, you're going to have outside TV hookups down here. So you got an electric outlet and cable outlet here. You have your stove exhaust vent here. There is, in the box in the storage compartment, a little griddle that mounts right here. And you have hot and cold sink out here, some USB charger ports, some storage, and a mini fridge out here. Down below, you can see here, they're currently using Goodyear Endurance tires on a wide stance axle system, which basically makes it a little more stable when you're driving down the road, less sway. On around to the back side here, you have a traditional flat back fiberglass rear end. It is prepped in the top center right there for the Furrion rear observation camera. It's a nice safety feature to consider adding. Lets you see what's going on behind you when you're driving down the road or backing into your campsite. It has prepping for the Lippert portable stow and go ladder up there as well. You have a 2-inch hitch receiver on the back here. It is not meant to tow anything with. It is strictly for like a luggage rack or bike rack. Do not tow with it. It does have satellite hookups and cable hookups back here. So if you have that portable satellite to take with you or something, or if you go to a campground that has cable, one of the fancy ones, you could actually plug in right there. Now, got out the ladder thing here to get us up here just to kind of check out our roof right here. And you can see here, this is a fiberglass roof. This is practically unheard of in a travel trailer market. So this is a very rare feature to see here. Typically you're going to have like a TPO, a vinyl, or rubber, or something like that, but not going to typically find this until you get into the high-end fifth wheel market or motorhome market. But up here you do have things like your air conditioner, TV antenna, skylights and stuff up there. And you do have to get up there from time to time to inspect those seams and seals and stuff. Very important. On around to the back side here, you're going to have the black tank flush, city water inlet, and the freshwater tank fill all right here. The detachable 50 amp power cord hookup right here as well on this one. You do have two separate dumps, so there is a dump right here for this. While we're down here, you can kind of see it does have that enclosed underbelly and those power jacks as well. Going on forward a little bit here, you're going to have another dump area right down below there. You have your furnace exhaust out right there, hot and cold outside utility shower as well. Slide outs are 12 volt powered electric slides, so you push a button and they go in and out. Pretty simple, rack and pinion style. You're going to also have the ability, if you want to add slide out awning covers to those. Talk with your dealer about that if that interests you. Those are nice. They roll in and out with the top of the slide, basically shading it, repelling a lot of water, leaves, twigs, debris, that type of stuff. And then you're going to have your on-demand water heater located right there. The other side of your pass-through storage area here, there is a disconnect here for the battery system. Now right here, some important informational stickers for you. This one, for example, is the production date sticker. Tells me this RV was built 4/11 of 24. Model number 273RL. Has a gross vehicle weight of 9,855 pounds. Dry weight sticker here tells me this RV was 8,671 pounds the way it rolled off the assembly line with these options. Has an exterior length of 34 feet 7 inches. Tire size ST 225 75 R15 E-range tire with an 80 PSI cold. Very, very important to keep up with your tire pressure when traveling with any RV. They are, by the way, currently using the BAL frame. Very nice frame that is mostly huck bolted together. It is a very strong frame system, a little easier to repair and stuff if you ever do get in an accident, as you can replace parts versus having to cut and weld things if you damage a traditional normal RV frame. You're going to have, again, power tongue jack, 2 5/16 hitch ball, heavy duty safety chains, 7-way Bargman wiring plug. You're going to have two 20-pound propane tanks with the auto changeover regulator. There is room right here for 1 or possibly 2 batteries, depending on the size of the batteries you go with. You have a lower diamond plate metal. You have a really nice fiberglass front shell with 2 LED light strips coming down, and again, that big windshield as well. Now, let's step back in here just real quick. I want to show you what this thing kind of looks like closed up. So going on back up into the new Hemisphere here, your controls are going to be right here as you come in the door. Push the button. Again, 12 volt powered. Very, very important to make sure that your floor is clean so you don't accidentally run something over and rip and damage your linoleum. Things like little pebbles or something that could come off your shoe can get trapped right in between there and mess things up. All right, so we are in with this slide, and this is a very tight fit. So again, it's very important to make sure everything is where it's supposed to be. Make sure all your cabinet doors and stuff are closed. Now you can check these out again at Couches RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. They were the #1 selling travel trailer and fifth wheel dealer in the country for 2023. They'll definitely save you a lot of money on a new RV if you're interested. Now with that closed up, you can see here, I could still come in here, squeeze by, see, can we get to the freezer? We can, no problem here. Not the refrigerator. It's just a hair there that it catches the edge. So that right there, I wish they would adjust it a little bit. They could move that island down just a hair or the fridge over just a hair. But it only takes a few seconds to bump out the slide out just a little bit, and then you could get to your fridge if you really needed to load it at a grocery store or something. Doesn't take a whole lot to do. But I do have full access to the bathroom and the bedroom, so if I'm stopping at that rest area and I need to come in and take a nap or use the restroom or something, I can do so without having to worry about opening up the RV. All right, folks, thanks a ton for taking the time to watch this quick tour on the new 2024 Hemisphere 273RL. Be sure to smash that like button if you want to keep up with more videos. And as always, please remember to check out the folks at Couches RV Nation. Thanks again.